In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete search history on YouTube when using your TV, whether you're using a smart TV, streaming device, or the YouTube app directly. It's a quick and easy way to keep your activity private or just clean things up. Unfortunately, most TV remote interfaces don't let you manage your YouTube history directly from the app. There's no clear browsing history button right on screen. But the good news is, you can still delete your search history using another device like your phone or computer. Here's how. Open a browser or the YouTube app on your phone or computer. Sign in with the same Google account you use on your TV. Go to myactivity.google.com. Use the search bar to filter by YouTube if needed. You'll see a full list of your activity, including every search and video you've watched, through any device. To delete specific items, click the three dots next to an entry and select Delete. If you want to clear everything, click Delete Activity By and choose a time range, like the last hour, day, or all time. You can also turn off web and app activity in your Google settings to stop YouTube from saving your search history altogether. Thanks for watching. If this helped you clean up your YouTube search history from your TV usage, drop a comment below and let me know if you turned off auto-saving too. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple privacy tips. See you next time.